and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra and welcome. Happy New Year to you. If this is the first video you're watching of mine in 2026, Happy New Year. I hope 2026 is going to be great for you. It's going to be great for everybody. I know it will be. It's going to be really good. Thinking positive here. Yeah? Alright, okay, so this evening I am just going to go through my American Beauty boxes, the ones for December. I did receive this box of my products over a week ago. When did I get it? They came just after Christmas Day. I just haven't got around to filming these videos yet. You know how it goes. So I'm going to start today. So what I'm going to start with are my Ipsy glam bags. So I am a member of Ipsy, so for those of you who watch my channel, you know one of the biggest beauty box subscriptions in America is Ipsy. They do have 3 tiers. So they've got a glam bag, which is $16, and you get 5 sort of sample travel size items in the bag, and it costs about $13, which is about sort of, oh, is that right? No, it costs $16, sorry, let's get this right. It costs $16, which is about £12.50 in our money. It's usually pretty good value, so I'm always pretty pleased with it. I've got 2 accounts for that, so there's 2 bags I'll be doing today. The next tier is the, they used to call it the boxy charm. It's not called that anymore, it's now called the extra. So that's the second tier, and in that tier it's $32, which is £25 roughly our money, and you get 5 full-sized items in that box. And then they've got a final tier which comes out every 3 months, and that is now called the ultimate box, and in that box you get 8 full-size full-sized items. That costs $60, I think that's right, $60, which is about, I'm trying to remember, it's about £35 our money. So that's how much it gets. I am a member for all 3 tiers, so I will normally get one of each box depending on the month, so I'll always get one of those boxes. Alright, but today I'm going to focus on the 2 $16 bags, which is £12.50, the 2 glam bags. So yeah, let's go through those and see how we did in December. Right, let's do the first one. I'm hoping that they've got the cards inside the bag. That would be really helpful. Just checking the mailer bag just to make sure there's nothing in there, because sometimes there is. This is the bag they gave us in December, which is pretty. Yeah, it's a pretty little bag. It's all very glistening. Isn't it? Shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. Can you see that? Oh, shimmer, shimmer. And you got the little ribbons with the Ipsy on the end there. Okay, let's do this first one. Let's see what we got. We've got a card. Hopefully it's got the items on there. So the card says that. Does that say shared joy? Does that say play? Is that right? Play beauty, shared joy. I'm reading it backwards. That's why I'm hesitating. Yeah, Ipsy December 25. It's got a sneak peek for what's coming in the new year, so for January. So this should be arriving, hopefully some of these items I'll be getting in January. I've done my picks already and I can't remember. And yes, on the back of the card it's got details about the products. So let's do that, shall we? Let's go. So the first thing I'm pulling out is this. So this is Feel Beauty, Feel Retinol Body Milk. Ooh, our bodies are getting retinol now? Alright, okay. So say hello to smoother, glowier skin from neck to toes with this milky body lotion. It's formulated with retinol to help visibly boost radiance while keeping moisture on lock. Lightweight, silky and designed for daily use. It leaves your skin feeling like you just got back from a spa day. Tip: smooth it on daily over your entire body from the neck down. Avoid your face with this one. It's a deluxe sample. The suggested retail price of the full size of this is $38, and the full size of this is 160 mils, and what we've received here is 30 mils. So we'll be getting sort of roughly 5 times the size of this, which is cool for $38. Okay. I love body lotion, so that's fine. I will be using it. Next is from Blink. So this is another eye repair product. So Blink Eye Repair Peptide Complex. So this is packed Packed with peptides, caffeine and hyaluronic acid, this clean vegan eye cream targets puffiness, dark circles, fine lines and wrinkles all at once. Late nights, early mornings, stress, high life, your eyes go through it a lot. Consider it your daily dose of I got 8 hours of sleep energy. That's what they're saying here. So they're saying tip, dab a small amount under your eyes using your ring finger. It's the gentlest, so this little finger here. The suggested retail price of the full size version of this product is 15 mils, which is $38. I don't know how much we've received here. We have received 5 mils, so it's a third of the size. But to be honest, a 15 mil tube is normally going to come in a size like this anyway. And I'm looking at the light, so I've got my ring light just there so I can see how much is in it, and it literally comes up to here. The contents of the tube comes up to here because that's all settled now. The rest of that is all air, but again, you don't really need much, so you know, don't know if I'll keep that. Not sure if I'm going to keep that. Oh, I should say at this point, I have got a giveaway now that has started. So for those of you who are familiar with my channel, you know that from time to time I do giveaways. Roughly every couple of months I'll do a giveaway. And products in my giveaway are usually products that I've received in my beauty boxes. These days it's going to be mainly the American beauty boxes. I have started the giveaway already. The information to enter the giveaway is in my GLOSSYBOX versus Look Fantastic video, which I just filmed. So if you want to enter the giveaway, you need to go to that channel. You need to go to that video where you'll receive the instructions. But the main thing you need to know is that you do need to be a public subscriber. Yeah, so that's for all of my giveaways. It's no point in just leaving a comment and hoping that you'll win. You have to be seen to be a public subscriber to my channel. So do check your privacy settings if you want to enter the giveaway. All right, let's continue with this. So we've done 2 items, 3 to go. Right, here we have got, oh, we've got a little miniature from Tarte. So this is the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Balm Gloss in Rose. I do like the Maracujas from Tarte. They're really nice. They do feel good. They're one of the better ones actually, and a lot of companies have copied the Tarte with their sort of their lip balms. It's the kind of click product. I haven't got one down here I could show you. No, I haven't got one down here, no. So, but yeah, they're great. So this is gloss meets balm in this juicy formula that cushions lips with hydration while adding a glossy pop of rosy colour. Powered by the brand's Maracuja oil, this yummy formula helps to nourish and smooth for that fresh, juicy look. Tip, layer over lipstick to add shine and a boost of hydration. This is a deluxe sample. The full size of this is 2 grams, and we have got here, oh blimey, this is written in white. Why did I write it in white? It is, doesn't even give an amount, but it's tiny. It is tiny. Full size of this is $27, which is about right. So if I show you this, that's the colour. It's not really a colour for me actually. I was hoping it'd be a little bit darker, but it's rose, so it's not going to be my colour. But these products are great, so I'm going to put this in the giveaway, give you guys a chance to try out the Tarte Maracuja. It is a great product. It's going to, even though it's tiny, it will last you a while, so you'll get a good idea. It's one of the better products from Tarte, in my opinion. There you go. So we've got 3 out of 3 there. It's all good. Oh, this feels bigger. What is this? What is this? This is a, oh yay, it's a scalp serum. I bet you I picked this. I must have picked this. This is from Adagio Soothing Relief Cooling Scalp Serum. Banish discomfort with this refreshing treatment that helps gently exfoliate and boost hydration. Lactic acid soothes and balances, while a refreshing cooling sensation adds the extra tip, massage in before shampooing for maximum flake fighting magic. Okay, this is a deluxe sample. The full version of this is 30 mils, and we have got, oh, this is 30 mils. Yeah, This is 30 mils. So this little thing here is worth $49. I mean, scalp serums are expensive. Wow. So we've got a full size of this. That's cool. Because we do normally get at least one full size item inside the glam bag. It's not called the glam bag anymore. It's called the original bag. But cool. What's the ingredients of this? Apply 1 to 2 times a week, depending on scalp congestion and oiliness. Ingredients: aqua, so that's water, melissa oiliness, I don't know what that is, extract, milk protein, glycerin. Right, so if you're allergic to dairy, don't have this. Glycerin, so that helps with the moisture. Propylene, I don't know what that is. Aloe barbadini, so that's aloe vera leaf juice. I thought I said frog. It's fragberry flower. Frag? What's frag? It's got a lot of good oils in it. I can see that right at the top. Mixture and lots of sort of standard things you expect to see in hair products like panthenol and stuff like that. You've got caffeine in here. We have got, let's have a look. Oh, you've got orange fruit extract. There's a lot of stuff in this. I'm looking forward to using this. I love using oils. If you see the amount of scalp oils I've got upstairs, it's a joke. But yeah, keeping this. And it's $49 as well. So that's cool. Very happy about that one. And the last product in here is an eyeshadow palette, guys. So we have got an eyeshadow palette from a brand called Luna Magic. I have seen this brand before. The Amour palette, full head over heels for these ultra blendable, richly pigmented mauve shades that flatter every skin tone. I can open it first. With buttery mattes, wait a minute, trying to open it. With buttery mattes and luminous shimmers, this palette makes dialing up your oh god, what we're saying here. So with buttery mattes and luminous shimmers, this palette makes dialing up your eye look easy. Plus it's compact and travel friendly. Hopefully I haven't broken the whole thing just by dropping it, because I always drop something in my videos. Those are the colours. Those are good colours. You're not going to go wrong with those colours. These are colours right up my street. And you know I'm always going to say that. It's right up my street. It's very much like a Natasha Denona, her little palettes that she's got. This is very much like that. You know what? I might even have a couple of them down here. I've got a few upstairs, but I might have a few down here. Right. Right, I've got some of my Natasha Denona palettes here. Let's pull these all out. Let's see if this is like any of those. Right, okay. So this is like a typical Natasha Denona palette, so it's not like that one. Ooh, close to this. Smaller patterns, but you see. Yeah. Like that. Haven't I got any more down here? Sure I have. But yeah, those look really nice, don't they? They do look nice. I'm just going to swatch some of these because I am keeping this. Yeah, it does feel nice and buttery, so that's good. Yep, that's good. Right, let's go with this one here. Yep. Pigmented, we've got the gold. I'm not too into gold as an eyeshadow shade, but okay. Oh, they are soft and buttery. They do feel good. And they're definitely giving off plenty of pigment. Right, so that last one you can hardly see, but that's a good base colour for me. This is actually a very nice palette. It's just very my kind of colours. I've got all these colours in different palettes all over the place, but hey, it's another palette for me to play with, so I'm more than happy with that. So that's good. Let's put these ones away. So that is good for the first bag then. Yeah, happy with that. That's the first bag, so let's put that aside. Let's go into the second bag, see what we've got. Make sure there's nothing else in here. Okay, so second bag. Yeah, so we've got those. Yeah. Okay, so let's do this one. Right, no card in this one, but let's see what we got. So we've got a second one of these oils, so that's cool. We have got the Anastasia Beverly Hills again, so we've got another one. So let me try this one on, because the other one I'm going to put in the giveaway. The colour is too light, but I just want to hopefully just give you an idea of how glossy it's going to be. So I've got a very matte lip colour on, so I have got on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Velvet Lip, which is a very matte colour. You're going to see what this is like. Yeah. Alright, so you can see the difference there straight away. It does feel good. Looks good as well, doesn't it? Yeah. That's nice. That's nice. We like that. We like that. Okay, right. Then we've got another one of the body lotions. So that's 3 duplicates. We've got... we've actually got exactly the same thing. We've got the Blink eye thing again, so that's good. And that means we've got the eyeshadow palette again. So we've got 2 of exactly the same bags. Oh, come on guys. So I think I can put all of these, apart from the scalp oil. I have to keep the scalp oil, I'm sorry, got to keep that. But these 4 plus the bag will go into my next giveaway. I tell you what, my next giveaway is looking already pretty good, you know, guys. Do you want to see what's in my giveaway at the moment? Let me show it to you quickly, and then I'll call it a day here. Right, where is it? Where's the box? Here it is. So, my giveaway at the moment. So this giveaway, I think I'm going to end up putting it in a bigger box, but I'm going to fill this box up as much as I can, and then we'll see. I might transfer it to a bigger box, or I might just keep it all within this. So in here at the moment is this, and I'm going to be putting these in there. So I'll just show you what I've got in here at the moment. I have got the Iconic Triple Threat Mascara. So it's full size. That came in the GLOSSYBOX, or Look Fantastic, for January. We've got the Anatomicals Me Just Wash and Revitalize. It's a shower scrub, body scrub. That came in the GLOSSYBOX for January. We've got the Moroccan Oil Leave-In Conditioner Hydration. It's a thing for their hair. I think this came in one of the advent calendars. I'm pretty certain it did. Then we've got the MUA Makeup Academy Hydra Juice Peptide. So it's a lip balm. So it's a second lip balm we've got. That came in the GLOSSYBOX for January. We have got from Colour Wow and Chris Appleton Money Mask for super glossy, expensive looking hair. So you got this. This is kind of a high value product, isn't it, I think. We have got from Avant, we've got a sample of the face cleanser. I've had the full size of this cleanser before. It's really nice. I mean, Avant really annoys me because it's just a brand for makeup boxes. Very overpriced. It's overpriced products, but the products are good. They're nice. It's just not worth the money they assigned to the product. Then from Laneige, we've got a sample deluxe size of the Blue Hyaluronic Cream Moisturizer. I do like this moisturizer. I'm using it at the moment, so it's good. Obviously I'm using the full size of that. We've got a travel size of the We Are Paradox Thickening Volume Blow Dry Spray. So I've received a full size of that somewhere, and I can't remember if I gave it as a Christmas present to somebody, the full size of that. I think I did. Then we've got from Anastasia Beverly Hills, we've got a lip liner in the shade Caramel. Then we've got the most boring product in the box, in my opinion, is a stimulating scalp brush from Maria Neela. And I've got this in one of my advent calendars. Pretty certain I did, as part of a... It was one of the doors, one of the days had multiple items in it, and that was in that day. I'm pretty certain of it. So that's how my giveaway is looking at the moment, and those were my December glam bags. Guys, let me know what you think. Just to remind you, the giveaway ends January the 31st. Make sure you're a public subscriber and hop over to the Look Fantastic versus GLOSSYBOX video. All the information's there. Alright, take care. See you soon. Bye.